From India, around 4 to 5 crore people are outside India. If you go to any country today, highest per capita income are earning by Indians. Any posh locality, even in America, if you see America, average income of America 55 to $60,000, whereas Indians $1,30,000, more than double. You go to any other, even Australia, any other country, same scenario is happening. As Mohanji Bhagwatji has rightly mentioned always, every couple should have 3 children. Fertility rate. This is very important. I am also saying always, we are crossing now slowly replacement level. Everybody, that is our culture. If all of us will think focusing on population by 2047 or beyond 2047, centuries together, that is India time only. Nobody can dominate on the global scenario. That is going to happen. So this is very, very important issue. Apart from that, there is a stable government headed by Narendra Modi ji. People like Mohanji Bhagwatji is preparing the ground. Values, ethics, I am very happy. I can say proudly, only family values are having Indian families, no other families in this world. Why I am saying this? We are all with a family. We are all thinking once marriage, not our decision, is the divine decision. Then naturally we are living together. Not only wife and husband, children, family. Family will give security, financial security, health security, personal security. So many problems it is solving. This type of culture nowhere in the world except in India. I am proud of it. That values Mohanji Bhagwatji always promoting further and further. I really congratulating. I am thanking him. Only my request to him, what type of society in future? If you see, India is moving very fast. 11 years, we are able to reach from 11th to 4th largest economy in the world. Next year, we will be second largest economy in the world. By 2038, we will be second largest economy in the world. By 2047, 100 years Independence Day, we will be number 1 economy in the world. There is no doubt about it, it will happen. For that, people like Mohanji Bhagwatji is going on promoting, preparing, without expecting any positions, but all of us have to sync with his ideology, and then it is possible. If that is the situation, I don't have any doubt, if you manage population, around 20-25 crore will migrate all over the world. Both public governance, political governance, Indians are going to play very crucial role also. I don't have any doubt about it. Reason is very simple, they need services. We are having young population. Not aspiring anything, we can do that service. But only my request to people like, especially Mohanji Bhagwatji, what type of society we are going to see in future? Only billionaires or millionaires are having inclusive growth rate without any poverty, and also haves and have-nots, the gap has to be reduced. Every citizen of this country should live with respectably and dignity and also better living standards. Then only we can say proudly, India is great. That is going to happen. That is where he has to think in the direction. And also Ganga Kaveri. This is a long dream of this great nation. he has to use his good wishes to bring consensus all over the country. First phase, our Honorable Prime Minister is saying, water security is very, very important. If we can achieve water security, then we can do wonders in this country. I don't have any doubt, science and technology, nobody can do better than us. India is going to do extremely well in future. For that, only one advantage. Earlier I have seen in my life, exactly 25 years back, IT by constructing iTech City. And I promoted knowledge economy in Andhra Pradesh and also country, everybody promoted, so many scientists, everybody. Because of the decision, if you see, today Hyderabad, highest per capita income Telangana, more livable city is Hyderabad. With that decision today, Indians are getting highest per capita income globally. Among Indians, 33% are Telugu community. That is, we are proud of it. Today, IT to artificial intelligence. Now we are talking quantum computing. In Andhra Pradesh, we are going everything. Green hydrogen valley. Earlier we thought how to produce power, only somewhere it is coming through thermal or hydel. Rooftop I can generate power, from field I can generate power. This is, future is totally solar, wind, hydel and also pumped storage, battery. At substation we can have microgrid. There only we can store power. Transmission losses totally we can control. Now, apart from that, if you see here, quantum computers are coming. With simple idea, all of you have discussed here. Even our Honorable Minister, Jishwar Singh, helped me. Quantum computer getting to Amaravati. Within 6 months, we are going to operate first quantum computer from Amaravati.